TotalBoat's TEAK cleaner is a quick and easy-to-use formula perfect for restoring teak's natural golden color. It's a two-part cleaning solution designed to clean and brighten. Use before applying oil, varnish, or sealing teak. First, prepare your work area and ensure you have your hands and eyes protected. Apply Part A to wet teak, lightly scrubbing across the grain. Part A is a deep cleaning solution that removes dirt, salt, mildew, stains, and weathering. Next, apply Part B, which neutralizes and brightens the wood. Again, scrub lightly across the grain and rinse with fresh water. Weathered and stained teak is restored to its bright, natural hue in minutes with TotalBoat's two-part teak cleaner.